configuration where 100 amp service terminates to a 125 amp panel needs to be changed. The National Electrical Code requires the main service panel to have an ampacity, which is the current carrying capacity equal to or greater than the service entrance conductors. In this case, the service entrance conductors are rated for 100 amps, while the panel is rated for 125 amps. This violates Article 408.10 of the NEC. If the breakers in the panel are loaded beyond their rated capacity, they could trip or even fail, leaving the circuits they protect without power. In a worst-case scenario, an overloaded breaker could lead to a fire. The 125 amp panel is unnecessarily large for the amount of current being used, which is 60 amps. A smaller panel, such as a 100 amp panel, would be more appropriate and would save space in the electrical panel. To correct this configuration, the 125 amp panel should be replaced with a 100 amp panel. The 100 amp service entrance conductor should be connected to the main breaker in the new panel. All of the branch circuit should be transferred to the new panel. If the existing 125 amp panel is not full, it is possible to install a 100 amp main breaker and keep using the existing panel. However, this option is not recommended if the panel is old or if there are plans to add additional circuits in the future. If the service entrance conductors are not rated for 100 amps, they will also need to be replaced. It is important to hire a qualified electrician to perform these changes.